Hi, Best Buds. It's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Where have I been? Oh my goodness, you guys. So we had spring break. I had my granddaughter. We've had very bad weather. We've had very little sleep. Soon as you get to sleep, the weather alarm goes off. Soon as you get to sleep, the weather alarm gets off. You get up, you watch TV, you see where do we need to get in our hidey hole. Poor little Frankie Francine is fit to be tied. She's got her harness on. I've got her leash on because she's so tiny. I mean, you guys, she's like so tiny. She will hide and I won't be able to find her, especially if the electricity goes off. Oh my goodness, there has been so much happening. And then yesterday, I was all ready to make a video. I was going to make a video about these cute little, I don't even know what to call them. They're envelopes and made from different paper pads, or a paper pad with different papers. And I think they're so very cute. And I was ready to click record. Here's the pocket right here. I was ready to click record and the electricity goes off and the internet goes down. And I was like, are you kidding me? I mean, seriously? So that's where I've been. I've been here. I've been here the whole time. I've been trying to get to you guys, trying. So while the electricity was off, I decided, well, I had just enough light in my craft room that I got a piece of cardstock out that I had already printed. I'm not sure where I got this from, guys, but I love it. I love yellow. And I backed it with some food dyed paper. Now, I sewed after the electricity came back on. And then I started compiling pages together to see what I could get. And we got a pocket here, and I haven't cut it down yet. I was just working to see what I had and how I could make this cute little journal come together while the electricity was off. I even had time, because it was out for a while, I had time to make some things. So let me get this all gathered up. I had printed out some corner pockets, and these corner pockets are from the paper Cameo. They look like that when they come. I love them. And I've cut them out, inked them up. There's 3 of them somewhere. Here we go. I thought this would be absolutely beautiful on the, you fold this down. So they're kind of gusseted. That would be beautiful on the inside front cover. And then the back cover, I thought we could put this one right here. That's Judge. He's digging on some crates. They're not his crate. He's loose and free. He's digging on the girl's crate. Okay, he wants them to come out. Now, I made this little piece of ephemera with just a coffee dyed loose leaf paper. And there's another pocket right here. So we have to decorate that up. And I thought, well, that will be cute. I just had some extra pages. So I made a little envelope, a little crinkled envelope. I don't know if I'm going to leave it fold out or if I'm going to actually make it. I think I might leave it as a fold out. I haven't creased it yet real well. I mounted some journaling cards on some of that pretty pink paper. What else did I do? Oh, I made a tri-fold or some kind of fold out. So we're going to glue this part onto the page, and we're going to you'll be able to pull it out or pull it out this way, and we'll have to decorate it up. I've got a pocket from Chapter 1 Papers, and I put some coffee dyed tracing paper inside. Isn't that pretty? Inside like that. I haven't glued it together yet. So it's like that. I made a tracing paper envelope, just something to decorate with. I've got some more of the journaling cards. What else do I have? Oh, I made a faux envelope for decoration. I have one this size too. I have a few labels that came with, I think it came with the Chapter 1 pocket. I made an envelope like this. I love to glue these on a page and then stick them full of ephemera. I think they're really pretty that way. I made a faux fold down, or a faux envelope fold down out of some coffee dyed lined paper. What else do I have here? Pull it all over. Let's see, I've got some more journaling cards. I've got this little piece. This all came from one sheet. I think these are, the little pieces are chapter 1 papers. I have another envelope that I lined with coffee dyed tracing paper to give it that crinkle sound that we all love so very much. And then I have another fold down in the pink. Now I also have some cards, tags that they're chapter 1 papers, and I need to mount them. These, I love these. I thought this is perfect colors for the journal, and it's the flower cellar from Mrs. Cog's Crafts. And what I'm going to do, instead of coffee dyeing these, because that's what I usually do, you know, the lights were out, so I didn't want to get my coffee dye out and everything like that when I really can't see that well. I'm going to, when the lights are out, I can't see that well. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mount and use that food dye yellow. I just think it's so gorgeous. And I'm going to mount that on the back of these journaling cards, and I think that would be just beautiful, and it will really bring the theme of this journal all together. I really hope that I'm able to get this finished for our shop the restock for Sunday. We are supposed to have, well, right now it's like 65. The wind is just cranking. I mean, the wind is just howling out there. We have a wind warning out. And then we're supposed to thunderstorm and storm tonight. Hopefully that weather alarm doesn't keep going off. I like the weather alarm. Don't get me wrong. It's a lifesaver. But oh my gosh, you know, after a while, it's like, yikes. You kind of just dread hearing the thing. And then tomorrow, it's supposed to be cold and only like, the high is like 43. It's like, are you kidding me? So it's really definitely been a wild ride lately. Now, I know some people have had a horrible time of it. I mean, some people don't have houses anymore, and they've lost their loved ones and neighbors and friends, and my heart pours out to them. But that is where I've been. I've been right here, you guys. It's just that, you know, things have been kind of crazy, and so definitely need to make sure we keep spreading happiness by being kind to everyone. And hopefully my next video, I'll be able to get on and show you how I made these envelopes here, because I really like the scallopy flap. And as you can see, you know, you can cut them any shape you want. And I think they're really nice. You guys, there's my update. I know it's short, not usually, you know, I usually do a little longer, but yeah. I'm just popping on here to tell you I'm okay. Everything's fine. It's like Chicken Little, the sky is falling. But you guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.